Hello everyone, welcome back to my fluency journey. And in this video we are going to talk about, or we'll do practice some Hindi to English translations of some basic daily use or common daily use sentences which you can use in your daily life. So we'll start with first sentence, which is मुझे नहीं पता वह किससे बात कर रहा था. I don't know. I wasn't know. I didn't know whom he is talking. I don't know whom he was talking. Right? I don't know whom he is talking. तुम हमेशा मुझे टोकते रहते हो. You always uh, chit chat. You always टोकना. How you can टोकते रहते हो, right? I don't know the English meaning of that word, right? So yeah, I'm gonna learn this in this video. Tokna. You disturb me. You always disturb me, right? Disturb. Dictate me. क्या तुमने अपना मोबाइल कहीं गिरा दिया? Okay. Did you did you fell? You forgot. Did you lost your phone somewhere? Did you lost your phone, or did you felt your phone? Did you felt felt? Did you felt your phone somewhere? मुझे नहीं लगता कि यह मजाकिया था. I don't think it's I don't think it's funny, right? I don't think it's funny. हम सुबह जल्दी निकलेंगे. We will leave early. Leave early. क्या तुम उसे पहचानते हो? Okay. Do you remember her? Do you remember her? Do you remember her? क्या तुम उसे पहचानते हो? वो बिना कुछ कहे चला गया. He left without saying anything. He left without saying anything, right? मुझे आज बहुत सारा काम करना है. I have to do lot of work today. I have to do a lot of work today. उसने कहा कि वो मुझसे नाराज नहीं है. Okay. He said that he said that he said he is not. He said that he is not angry with me. He's not angry with me. तुम्हें अपना व्यवहार सुधारना चाहिए. You should improve your behavior. You should you should improve behavior. You should improve your behavior. You must. Okay, now we're gonna chat with ChatGPT. So yeah, let's go. I don't know whom he was talking. I don't know whom he was talking. I don't know whom he was talking to. Okay, talking to. Okay. It was. Why you always disturb me? Why you always? Why do you always disturb me? Okay. That means was thinking correct. Tokna means disturb. Yeah, tokna means disturb you, right? Do you drop your phone somewhere? Did you felt your phone? Felt. I fell from the sea. I fall, felt. Right? I don't know. Did you lose your phone somewhere? Did you drop your phone somewhere? Drop. Oh, right. I don't think it's funny. Will legally. Do you remember her? Do you recognize her? Okay. क्या तुमने उसे पहचानते हो? Means recognize, not remember. Remember is याद रखना and पहचानना. Okay. He left without saying anything. Excellent. He left without saying anything. I have to do a lot of work today. I have to do a lot of work today. A lot of work. I have to do a lot of work today. He said that he's not angry with me. Slight tense mismatch. He said that he was not angry with me because reported speech. Shift the tenses. Okay. Yeah. So that he was not angry with me. You should improve your behavior, right? Okay. Now we will revise some previous days lesson. Previous day previous day daily sentences, right? Okay. Alright. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वह ऐसा करेगा. I don't feel he'll do it. I don't feel he'll do these sort of things. I don't think that he'll do this. Okay, I don't think that he will do this. Did you call me? मुझे पुकारा. ये बहुत महंगा है. It's too expensive. Can't buy. Give me some time to think. Okay, law. Yeah, these are already being revised, right? So yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel because I am new to the YouTube and I wanna grow, and also I want everyone to grow. Whoever is watching my channel, I'm sure that everyone will become fluent in English. So please be consistent and practice daily, right? So thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. So yeah, we'll meet soon in the next video.